Do you eat Filipino food in Japan?
A lot.
Oh. What's your favorite?
Kole-kole and sinigang and adobo.
Adobo pork,
Yeah, adobo
baboy.
pork.
What else?
And also, then I eat others that I don't know the name. Because
It's Filipino food.
Filipino food. I know
Maybe-
it's egg with eggplant.
Tortang talong. Really? You eat that? Every day? So you seldom eat Japanese food? You don't eat Japanese food? And then you drink a lot of tea, right? Tea.